Hi, this is Sammie W with homework help. Will help solve this following problem. I was laying it out and I got these goofy question marks and things here. So I just left it like this. Let's read it out. A sphere of radius r has surface area 4 pi r squared and a volume of 4/3 pi r cubed. This should be pi where those question marks are. The radius of the sphere 2 is double the radius of sphere 1. So that's where everything is. It starts with this. We want to find the ratio of A2 over A1, V2 over V1. And I think I'm pretty sure the reason why this problem was given is because it wants you to see the ratios when the radius is doubled. So we're given this, R2 equals 2R1, which is just 2R. Okay, so we can get rid of that 1. This is just 2R. These 1s and 2s will mess everything up. Here's the relationship for A2. R2 is the second. A2 has a radius of 2R. So that gives us 4 pi times 4R squared, 16 pi r squared. Here, did the same thing with the volume. We see the volume is cubed. So instead of 2R, it goes all up 2R cubed. It goes all the way up to 8R cubed. Okay, so those are significant values. This went from 4 to 16. 4 to 16. 4/3 up to 32/3. So A2 over A1, the ratio is 4. V2 over V1, the ratio is 8. Now, these are important ratios because we're saying that once the radius is doubled, the area of a sphere is quadrupled, multiplied by 4. And the volume is multiplied by 8. So the volume increases 8 times if you double the radius, which makes sense. It's just a lot more huge sphere, but you may not think so. I ran into a little problem here. I forgot the 3 here. So I was looking at it and I saw the ratio of 8/3 and I just kept looking at it because it didn't seem right. It didn't make any sense to me. I thought it would be bigger than 8/3. And then I realized I missed the 3. So, sometimes it takes a little luck with problems. You always want to check work problems, keep working them, get more experience. You're going to run into certain problems. I just wanted to show you where I ran into that problem. Let you know, hey, this is how things go. A lot of it gets solved by just getting a lot more work in. And some days are better than others. But today, I had that problem. I've left off a few things. But when I back checked, I was able to find them. So, always back check, use your instincts. That comes into play. Intuition comes into play in math as well. So, it can be a fun thing. Just get some practice in. All your answers are going to prove themselves. So once you have the answer, a lot of times you'll know you have that answer. Hopefully this is helpful to you. I'm Sammie W, and I'm always here to help. Thank you very much.